What's up, everybody? It's a cold January day in Indiana. So while the snow has been coming down, I've been getting busy in the shop, staying nice and warm. And you can see there's a lot of business that I've been doing. So stick around. We'll do a little update on the car and where I'm at and what's going on. And yes, down there is a Team Z 850 cert cage. Stick around. We'll talk about all that stuff in a little bit. Welcome once again to the shop, guys. And today we're going to go over the car and where I'm at currently. Like I said before, I've been really busy the last couple weeks, just since you've seen the car last. Taking it down to the bare essentials, really. At this point, we got all the interior out, bumper covers off, engines out, and I got some time-lapse stuff I'll probably throw in just to show that whole process. But as you can see, the car is quite a bit lighter. Dang near 4x4 right now. But the springs are totally maxed out. And even if I stand and jump on it, it doesn't move. So it's way lighter than it was before. So up front, like I said, the motor's out. And doing a little inspecting with everything off. Been doing a whole lot of inspecting, and you can see here I cut top radiator mount off. I plan to put a bar across that once she goes back together. But inside here, you can see that we do have some rust, and I didn't expect it to be a rust-free car. Figured there would be some, but that's going to need some repair. While I was inspecting it, I kind of tapped out on the hammer and a big old chunk of something fell inside. So probably gonna have to put some 1/8 inch plate on that, take a lot of the expanded old junk out and put some 1/8 inch plate on it. Driver's side's not too bad. It's I'll probably just throw some plate on it just so that way there's no worries in that aspect. Out back, since I got everything removed out here, when I was doing the interior stuff, pulling it out, light's kind of bad, but you can see right here we got some rust that was popping through, and I was hoping it was just going to be the inner boards, but it was way worse. I mean, you can see my finger goes through a couple different spots and that, but hopefully it appears it's just the back like 6 or 10 inches, so we can replace that and not have any issues. A lot of these lower portions of the quarters got some rot in them, but overall it does appear that it's in pretty solid shape. I don't know if you can see that very well, the light. I mean, yeah, the bumper, the gas tank strap, I had to cut that off because a bolt is just frozen to that clip, nut, whatever you want to call those things they use. So torque boxes, lower torque boxes are rusty. I don't know if they're rotted too much yet. I don't have enough of the suspension removed in order to really inspect those good, but most likely I'll probably end up replacing those with like a Team Z or a Wild Rides or someone else's torque box replacement unit. On the inside, like I said, and like you've seen with all the parts on the ground, she's been getting gutted out. And you can see a lot of tools, everything in here. That's because I am I've been messing with the Team Z through floor subframe connectors. I'm working on the one side. I want to get it totally installed, or not totally installed, but at least mostly installed. And then on the passenger side, I will videotape a good walkthrough on how to do it, because it doesn't come with any instructions. So I've been doing a lot of looking on the internet, looking at pictures, found some things on some forums, and just kind of trying to wrap my head around how all that is supposed to go together. So in the coming weeks, you guys will be seeing that. Other than that, there's no major other updates. Today I'm probably going to get it on some jack stands, leveled out. Well, probably what I want to do is pull the front suspension off. I want to get the springs out of it. I don't know if they're imposing any kind of force into the subframes and everything, so I want to get those out, get it on jack stands, get it leveled out, and then continue on with the driver's side subframe connector, get that sorted out, and then start on the passenger side with my detailed video journaling instructional video. So it's a short video today, but wanted to get something out there and show you guys what's going on. So if you like where we're going, like and subscribe, hit the bell if you want notifications, and take care and stay warm. See ya.